A good example is what's happening with dentistry. I went to my dentist last week, and I'm all freaked out. I got to get a filling, and I hate the guy instantly just on my way there. I got my filling. I never had a drill come near my mouth because dentistry is changing because of this rapid change. But what he has is this laser-based device which does the tooth with laser instead of a drill. He's also got this ozone-based thing. He explained it to me. It puts ozone in your tooth, which takes, kills all the bacteria. You go away for a couple of days. You come back, they put a filling in. Kids will grow up. They won't know what a dentist drill is, these millennium kids. And the skill that a dentist needs and the skill that a dental hygienist needs tomorrow to do their job with this new stuff is going to be infinitely more complex than what they need to know today. And that's a good example of what's happening with every career, every profession, every skill. What you need to know to do your job tomorrow is going to be infinitely more complex than what you need to know today. It's just-in-time knowledge. That's what's beginning to happen. I went to university. I was taught a core group of skills.
Right.
And that skill, 50 years ago, that could have carried my father for 50 years. That carried me for maybe 20 years. I think kids tomorrow, they're going to constantly have to learn, constantly going to have to relearn, constantly they're going to have to pick up new skills to do what needs to be done. They're going to be the generation that is the most amenable to change than any generation we've seen before. The way I characterize it, if you look at boomers, they hate change. They've always hated change. They've never liked the change that has surrounded them. Gen Xers are a little bit better with change. Gen Y is getting a little better, but these folks, they're growing up in a period of time that is going to witness faster rates of change than we can even begin to comprehend. And they're gonna embrace it. They're gonna sit back and they kind of go, change, cool.